In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pop-up on Squarespace in about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. Squarespace, as you might already know, is a fantastic platform that allows individuals and businesses to create beautiful websites with ease. One of the many features it offers is the ability to add pop-ups to your website. Pop-ups can be a crucial tool in your marketing arsenal. They can help you collect email addresses, announce a sale, or simply guide visitors to important content. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. Squarespace offers a variety of login methods, but for simplicity, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy if you already have a Google account, as it streamlines the login process. After clicking on Continue with Google, choose the account you want to use. If you have more than one Google account, make sure to pick the one that's associated with your Squarespace site. This will promptly take you to your Squarespace dashboard where all your site magic happens. Here, you'll see a list of any websites you've created or have been invited to manage. Click on the website you wish to add a pop-up to. This will take you into the back end of that specific site where you can make all sorts of customizations, including adding pop-ups. To start the pop-up process, look for the Pages section. You'll find it as a sidebar menu option. Clicking Pages will take you to a screen where all your website's pages are listed. This area allows you to manage your content, but also access more advanced features. In the Pages section, you will find the Website Tools option. This might feel a bit like going down the rabbit hole, but it's where Squarespace keeps some of its best features tucked away. Click on Website Tools to proceed. Within Website Tools, search for and click on the Promotional Pop-up option. This is where the real fun begins. You're now entering the pop-up configuration area, where you can start crafting the message and design of your pop-up. Once you're in the promotional pop-up section, you'll see an option to display pop-up. Here is where you decide whether or not your pop-up is ready to see the light of day. By turning on display pop-up, you're essentially activating the pop-up feature on your website. This doesn't mean it goes live immediately, because you'll still need to save your changes, but it's the crucial step to making your pop-up a reality. After you've customized your pop-up to your liking, choosing when it appears, designing its appearance and deciding on the content it will display, the next and final step is crucial. Save your changes. There's a Save button located nearby, often at the top or bottom of the settings page. Clicking Save applies all the changes you've made and commits them to your live website. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of adding a pop-up to your Squarespace website. Pop-ups can be a powerful tool when used appropriately. Whether you're looking to grow your mailing list, announce a special promotion, or guide visitors to your latest blog post, pop-ups can help you achieve your goal. Remember, the key is to make sure your pop-ups are not only visually appealing, but also offer real value to your visitors. This way you'll engage them without disrupting their browsing experience on your site. Just a couple of additional tips before we wrap up. Firstly, always preview your pop-up before making it live. Squarespace allows you to see how it will look on both desktop and mobile devices, helping you ensure a great user experience across all platforms. Secondly, keep an eye on your pop-up's performance. If you're using it to collect email addresses, track how many you're gathering regularly. If it's not performing as expected, don't be afraid to tweak the design or the call to action. Sometimes small changes can make a big difference. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to add a promotional pop-up to your Squarespace website. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, we hope this video helps you make the most out of your Squarespace experience. Happy designing!